So here we have the Mini Cooper Diesel hatchback on a 16 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and I'll run through a few controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see we've got a 60/40 split folding rear seat. Plenty of boot space as well, which can be increased by lifting this tray section out or storing it up out of the way there, and you can see the boot space is fantastic when you do that. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then I'll hop in and run through some controls. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see it's in great condition the whole way round. Just briefly before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. These seats are in great condition, as you can see. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start off with the dials. On the left-hand side, we've got the rev counter, and we have the speedometer in the middle. Beneath that, you can see the total miles on this car are 23,525. You can change the information displayed above that using buttons on the steering wheel, and if you go around in a full circle to this one, you're then left with a digital readout for the speedometer, which is particularly handy. If we work our way over into the centre here, you can see this car's got satellite navigation. It's a very easy system to use. There's a full video showing exactly how it works on our website and on our Facebook page, which are well worth checking out. This is the main menu for the system. Now, all the movements I'm making there are all done using this dial. So as I twist it, we'll go around the various menus. You can then select things by pushing it down. It also moves to the right, left, up and down as well to select various different options within menus. Or you can press these buttons to access menus directly. So we are on the main menu, which is that button there at the moment. So satellite navigation, for example, would be here, and you'd push the dial down. When it comes to radio, this car has got FM, AM and DAB digital radio. In terms of other ways to listen to music, just go to multimedia, external devices, and you'll see there that we've got a USB input, auxiliary input, and we can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. So once you connect up a phone, not only can you make and receive phone calls, you can also listen to your music as well. You set up your phone via that menu just there. So it's a very easy system to use. There's videos showing the satellite navigation operation, how to connect a USB device, and also a video on this ambient lighting that you see around here as well. They're all worth checking out. Below that, we've got dual zone climate control. So you can select the temperature on the driver and passenger side. You can turn up the fan speed or down the fan speed from just there. When you're happy with the temperature that you set, that button will turn the air conditioning on, or you can press that button and the car will do it automatically by taking control of the fan speed itself, as you can see, and then you can just override that system or press the auto button to turn it off should you wish to. Beneath that, we've got a few buttons. The middle one starts and stops the engine, so it's keyless start. The key just needs to be in the car. Hit that tab to start and to stop the engine. This will turn off the traction control in the car and turn it back on again. And over here is the stop and start button. You can see the symbol just there. If I hit that button, it turns the system off. The car is designed to cut out in traffic to save you fuel. It'll be on every time you start the car. If you wish to turn it off, you need to do that each time. Underneath that, we have a 12-volt charging socket, the auxiliary and USB inputs that I mentioned previously. We then have a 6-speed manual gearbox, and then just back to that system where I was showing you a moment ago for the satellite navigation and various other things, all controlled off of that. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.